Hi, good morning, Paul here. It is June 7th, 2019. Let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. Let's see. Lowest price is a $165,000 townhome, 2,000 square feet. Wow. Around Heritage Court. Huh. Okay. One level, 165,000. It's clean. Put up the toilet. Put down the toilet seat, people. Looks like we have a skylight or something there. Oh, that's the entry. Bathrooms have been nicely upgraded. Big laundry room. Where are we here? Sahara Mojave. Okay. Oh, I see. Not over there. Okay. Copacabana. Alright. Then we go to property here, Gray Spencer Drive, 675,000, single family, 4,600 square feet. Nice drone shots. It's like a fairly nice house. A lot of levels here, though. Okay. What about our big kitchen? Double oven, microwave. Older black appliances. Looks like it looks into the courtyard or something there. Big game room, theater room. Big house. No covered patio. Amazing. Okay. That's 2006. Where is Gray Spencer? Southern Highlands. Okay. Okay, let's go to yesterday. We have an $85,000 manufactured home. I see. Okay. Nelson Twain. Okay. Then we go to Vintage Canyon, 3.5 million. Wow, Nice backyard. This is nice, having all this covered patio and upstairs decks. That is really nice. Fire pit. Indoor, outdoor living. Decent view. Very nice house, $3.5 million. Nice staircase, nice place for a grand piano there. I like this house. Refrigerator, freezer. Cabinets look old. Besides that, everything else is pretty friggin' nice. That office. Nice loft. Very nice house. Little theater room there. So where is Vintage Canyon? It is Southern Highlands. Okay, so that's that. Let's go over here and see under contract. We've got 658. 427 recently sold. How many of those in the last couple of days? 6. Okay, nothing's been reported today. We have this little guy here, condo 61.5 on Swanson. Oh, nice shot there. Okay, 65,000. Okay, well, you know, it's a studio. It looks like close to everything. For those who don't know where Swanson is, it's just right about downtown, pretty close by the university there. With the strip over here, and then it's right here, about the airport. Okay, so 416 square feet. These all closed yesterday. Nice house here, pool spa on the golf course. Over on Portobello. Almost 750. Rampart, okay, we're in Summerlin area. Okay. So, that's it. 9 minutes, okay. So still we'll search and find out what's actually happening in the pool industry here. 2 days, 0-2. Single family home with a private pool. 43 went into contract in the last 2 days. Not a lot. $420 average list price. average is 2,700 square feet, 190 a square, 577. Average 533 is list price. Okay. Alright, well, that is it for today. And today's Friday, so I'll talk to you on Monday. Have a great weekend.